All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, no.
Man, this lady need to hurry up. This lady taking forever. You hear me, babe? This lady taking a long time. It's crazy.
Yeah, she is taking a long time, but you hear that sound like rain?
Yeah, I hear that. It's raining. Hey, it's raining cats and dogs.
Oh my god, I just got my hair done and I don't have no umbrella with me. Oh my goodness, what I'm gonna do?
Babe, I told you it was gonna rain.
I know.
I told you let's go straight home. After we left the shop, you just paid $90 to get your hair flat ironed, man. And it looking good right now. I don't know what's gonna happen.
I know, but you know I needed my stuff. I need my stuff. It's that time of the month. I need my stuff. I had to come to the store. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, come get your stuff. Stuff for you. I know.
What I'm gonna do, I need something to pull in my hair. I don't got nothing to pull in my hair. I need something to pull in my hair. You got it?
Well, I found a bag you can use. I think you left your umbrella. You can use this.
I guess that do better than nothing. Thank you, baby. I just hope and pray nobody get through his bag for real.
Yo, babe.
What? Why you looking so dumb?
Yo.
What?
Your hair is puffy, baby.
Wow, but it look nice like that too.
Oh, what? You just waste $90. Your hair is puffy.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Oh, babe. That's so sad, man.
Stop playing. Let me go see. Stop playing. You playing too much. Oh my god, look at my hair. Oh, I see why. It was a hole in the bag. You had a hole in. Oh my god, you grab a bag with a hole in it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just snatched whatever was close to me. Usually at grocery stores, they don't have bags that got holes on already. Unless somebody use this and just throw it back in there.
Whatever. You make me do it. I'm going to bed. You make me sick. You make me so sick. I'm going to bed. Bye.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson Stone. If y'all like this video, make sure and smash that like button and click that bell for notifications and make sure you share this video with your family and friends. But I see you when I see you. Peace. I'm out. And make sure you click on that bell.